Today, I am going to tell you difference between TradeWiz and Trojan. TradeWiz and Trojan bot are two powerful trading solutions, each catering to different types of traders. TradeWiz is an AI-powered trading assistant that supports multiple markets, including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. It leverages advanced machine learning algorithms to provide predictive insights and real-time trading execution. Designed for beginner and intermediate traders, TradeWiz offers high customization with user-defined strategies, an intuitive dashboard, and strong security measures such as encryption and two-factor authentication. It also includes historical data analysis for backtesting and advanced AI-driven risk management, making it a reliable choice for those looking to enhance their trading strategies. On the other hand, TrojanBot is an automated trading bot built for professional traders and institutions. It operates at ultra-fast speeds and supports stocks, forex, and crypto markets. While it does offer AI-based risk management, its customization options are more limited, focusing primarily on preset strategies. TrojanBot is known for its high security features, including anti-malware protection and an advanced user interface tailored for experienced traders. It also provides backtesting capabilities optimized for accuracy. Unlike TradeWiz, which follows a monthly or annual subscription model, TrojanBot offers a one-time purchase or monthly fee option. Ultimately, TradeWiz is ideal for traders who want a guided AI-assisted experience, while TrojanBot is better suited for seasoned traders looking for fully automated execution.